Hello, do you know in geometry the angles for an F shape? If you don't, that's great, because we're going to teach you that today. So, what I mean by an F shape is something like this. So you'd see two parallel lines like that, for example, and then have one diagonal line here. And what that makes is, as you can see, is, oh, let me get another one. What that makes is an F, doesn't it? Like an F shape. Now, the angles that are like that, they are always the same, okay? And that's what the angles in the F shape are. So if I had this one, let's just do it not to scale, if I had 110, what would this angle be? Remember what I just said? Yes, well done. It's the same, isn't it? So that would also be 110, okay? So remember that angles on an F shape are always the same. So use information, play the next game, and we'll see you next one. Bye!